Okay, hi there, Fernando. I think that this question would be better answered if I were doing this on the screen. So, what this question is really doing is it's trying to get you to think about map scale in a slightly different way. You're supposed to take away from the map 1 to 20 million. That's a lot of zeros. Can also be written as this 1 to 20 million. And what this question is telling you is taking advantage of this idea that I talked about in class that 1 unit on the map equals 20 million units in real life. And this question is telling you that in this case, if you're using the unit of inches, so now we're going to say 1 inch is equal to 20 million inches, on the map, 72 points. So think of when you're using a printer or a scanner and you're actually thinking in terms of like dots per inch of print quality. That's what this question is kind of talking about. So it's telling you that 1 inch on the map has 72 points. So we can now do this. We can do 1 inch equals 72 points. And once we do that, we can rewrite our equation now, where we go 72 points is the same on the map as 20 million points, or inches, would be on the ground. So now that we've rewritten that equation using the information that they gave us in that problem, what we can do is we can say, well, the question is asking us how much on the ground is represented by a line that is 3.4 points wide. So what we're doing is we're saying we know how much it is on the map. We know it's 3.4 points, and we want to know what x is. I'm not going to do the math for you. Obviously, I don't have a calculator open on my computer right now. But just keep in mind that the way to solve for x in this sort of a problem is to cross multiply between these two numbers and then divide by this guy. So we're going to multiply 3.4 times 20 million, and we're going to divide that by 72. Once you do that, remember that your unit here is going to be in inches. How will you divide inches to find feet? It looks like you've already done this in your email where there are 12 inches in a foot. So you'll divide that by 12 to get your answer in feet. And then you'll divide that again by 5280 to get your answer in miles. And I recognize that it's hard because you're working with really big numbers, but this is actually a very valid concern. 3.4 points, it's a fraction of an inch on a map, and it's very reasonable to assume that a line might actually be that thick on a map. So let me know if that helps, and let me know if you're still a little bit confused and need some more help with it.